In the new era of smart manufacturing and artificial intelligence, digitalizing the production process is essential to respond to future market demands. Today, factories require a fast and wireless connection to make full use of big data and AI-based frameworks. Consequently, Siemens Switchgear Shanghai, a world-leading manufacturer, decided to partner with Geek Plus and turn their facility into a smart factory. In October 2020, the upgrade was finalized, representing a breakthrough within the manufacturing industry. Geek Plus Smart Factory has fully automated the entire production process. It has enabled the manufacturer to handle over 200,000 SKU, and effectively reduce the time spent on manual handling of materials, lowering the cost of labor by 30%. Real-time visibility across the manufacturing process, from inventory monitoring to materials flow, has enabled 100% accuracy of material deliveries and a 200% increase in the overall storage efficiency and capacity. Geek Plus Smart Factory brings flexibility, visibility, and more control to the manufacturing industry.